Hi, good morning. Today we will continue Form 2 Science, Chapter 3 Nutrition. Subtopic 3.2 The Importance of Balanced Diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the food classes in the right quantities that are required by the body. There are 7 food classes and we have learned them in Chapter 3.1. So if you look at the food pyramid, all the 7 food classes are contained in this food pyramid. So if you look at the first layer, we have to take more of this type of food, which are rice, noodles, bread, grain and potato. The second layer will be vegetables and fruits, and the third layer will be fish, chicken, meat and nuts, milk and dairy products. And we have to take very little fat, oil, sugar and salt. Factors that influence calorific requirement. There are 6 factors, which are body size, age, gender, work, state of health and climate. So body size, those who are bigger in size, they require more calorie compared to those who are smaller in size. What is calorie? Calorie is energy. Energy comes from where? Comes from food. Alright, therefore you have to take those who are bigger in size have to take more food compared to those who are smaller in size. Second one will be age. Age, those who are younger, those who are active like you all who are 14 years old. So you need more calorie compared to those who are older, like 40 years and above. Third factor will be gender. The male require more energy or more calorie compared to the female. Fourth factor is work. Those who are working outdoor in construction, in farming, in many other industries which require a lot of energy, they require more calorie compared to those who are working in the office and so on. State of health, which is the fifth factor. We have a lot of people with diabetic problem, with blood pressure problem. So these people have to control the food according to their state of health. For example, a person who is diabetic, he cannot take a lot of sugar. Whereas a person with high blood pressure, he must take less salt in his diet. The sixth factor is climate. Those who are living in a colder country requires more calorie compared to those who are living in a tropical country like Malaysia. Why? Because they have to maintain their body temperature at 37 degrees Celsius. The calorific value of food is the total amount of energy released when 1 gram of food is burned completely in the body. So we usually do this in the lab, where we use a peanut or cashew nut, we burn it completely and then we see what is the rise in temperature, and according to that we will calculate the calorific value. This total energy is measured in units of calorie or joule. As you can see in table 3.3, fat has the highest energy value compared to protein and carbohydrate. 1 calorie is equals to 4.2 joule. Planning a balanced diet depends and must follow a food pyramid. And always eat food with less sugar, salt, oil and fat. The importance of maintaining health. Malaysians have various type of health problem. 17.5% are diabetic, 30% have high blood pressure, 17% are obese, 40% of Malaysians are overweight. So taking into consideration all these health problem and to maintain our health, first of all, we have to be aware of these issues and we have to control the food that we are taking. We have to always follow the food pyramid. So we have to lead a healthy lifestyle. So how are we going to live a healthy lifestyle? First of all is food. Take the right amount of food in the correct proportion according to the food pyramid. Exercise regularly and avoid cigarette. So this will be the activity for this week. So please complete it in your notebook, and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye. Thank you.